Looking for dryer vent repair in Winter Garden, Florida? Trinity Dryer Vent Services is your trusted local expert. We specialize in fixing damaged, clogged, crushed, or disconnected dryer vents that slow down your dryer and create dangerous lint buildup. Our repair service restores proper airflow by repairing broken ducts, sealing leaks, and correcting unsafe vent configurations. With expert diagnostics and professional repairs, we make sure your dryer vent system works safely, efficiently, and meets all proper ventilation standards. Schedule your dryer vent repair in Winter Garden, Florida today at the website on your screen, trinitydryerventservices.com. That's this site right here. Or call us now at 407-329-9344. Trinity Dryer Vent Services, keeping your home cleaner, safer, and running more efficiently. Choose Trinity Dryer Vent Services for fast, professional dryer vent repair you can trust.